Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can bend a text using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we have selected a blank image template in Canva, and here we are going to add a text. So I have selected this text, and here I'm just writing Digital Marketing Institute. Okay, I'm just changing the color of the background to whatever the background color you want, and here I'm just changing the color of the text to white, increasing the size. Right now we are going to effects, and the effects we can simply select curve, and whatever the curve we want, we can select the degree of the curve. Right, you can also increase and decrease the letter spacing, right, to make it look more good. Right, so in this manner you can simply curve or bend a text using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.